Hello friends, my name is Shivam Yadav and welcome to my channel iTech Warrior. Friends, in this video we will understand the concept of a ref and out keyword with practical and see the difference between ref and out keyword. And before proceeding this video, don't forget to subscribe us and like and share. So let's start the video. So here is the basic definition of a ref and out keyword. Ref. The ref keyword is used to passing the arguments to method by a reference. If any changes made in this argument in the method will reflect in that variable when control return to the calling method. And the out keyword is used to passing the arguments to method as a reference type. It is one way. It sent back from callee to caller by any data from caller to callee is discarded. So let's understand with practical in Visual Studio. So now we inside of Visual Studio 2019. Here we create a class program inside namespace demo ref out keyword. Here we write a program for a ref and out. First we start with ref. So inside the main method here we declare a variable num equal to 2, and here we declare a add method num, and inside the add method pass num as a parameter with ref, and after this cw tab and print num, and console dot read line save. And here we declare an integer variable and declare a add num method, and inside the add num method pass a num parameter with ref, and print here num value. And after this here we declare a body static void add num. Inside the body here here we declare a ref int and pass the parameter abc, and here we abc equal to abc plus by 10. So inside the add num method abc equal to abc plus 10, whatever value get here addition with 10. So save and press F5. So the output is num equal to 12. It means the ref keyword is pass variable data and reference. It is a two-way from caller to callee and back. So the num value pass here and addition with 10 and send back to caller. So now we create one more method here for out keyword. Copy, paste, and change the name sum num, and change the variable name parameter name 1 1 1. So and here we declare one more method here sum num, and one more parameter, one more integer variable num2, and num2 and change out. So here we also change out and print num. So here we create one more integer variable and some num method declaration and print num2 here, and here we create a method with body abc2, and inside the method abc1 equal to abc1 plus 10. So here you can see the red line here because assign the value abc1 equal to 0. So save and run. So the output is num equal to 12 and num2 equal to 10. Because out is pass only reference, and it is one way from callee to caller. I hope you understand both the concepts ref and out and the differences between ref and out. So let's move to slide, and here is the difference between ref and out keyword point wise. Here is the basic four differences. First point is it is necessary the parameter should initialized before it pass to ref, and in out keyword it is not necessary to initialize the parameters before it pass to out. Second point is the passing of value through ref parameter is useful when the called method also need to change the value of passed parameter. And in out keyword the declaring of parameter through out parameter is useful when a method return multiple values. Third point is it is not necessary to initialize the value of a parameter before returning to the calling method. And in out keyword it is necessary to initialize the value of a parameter before returning to the calling method. Fourth point is when ref keyword is used, the data may pass in bidirectional. Fourth point is in out keyword. When out keyword is used, the data only pass in unidirectional. So this is the basic difference between ref and out. Here I summarizing the both the keywords in point wise. First point is ref and out keyword help to pass by reference. Second point is ref is pass variable data and reference both. Out is pass only references only. Fourth point is ref is two-way from caller to callee and back. Fifth point is out is one way back from callee to caller. It means ref get data from caller to callee and send back to callee to caller, and out only send back callee to caller. Whatever data come from caller to callee is discarded. Sixth point is both ref and out parameter treated same at compile time but different at runtime. So this is the concept of ref and out keyword. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming video notification, and share with friends and like and comments. Thank you for watching.